welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to reveal my new Gucci bag. Can you guess? I got it yesterday through a personal shopper. I didn't get the box and the paper bag, just the bag and the dust bag and the paperwork. So let's see what is it. So this is the Gucci Marmont Matelasse mini. So this bag just came with the dust bag, the regular Gucci dust bag, silky dust bag, and this I just got the copy receipt from my PS, and this Gucci booklet with this little paper here, and leather sample. So that's all these bags. This bag come with. This is the Hibiscus red color, and it's very pretty red. It's a bit dark in real life. I see that on my camera it's a bit brighter, but in real life it's a bit dark with some blue undertones. It's really pretty red. I need a small bag, a casual bag for running errands. So I also want the one with a pop of color, and I love red, so I choose this red one. And this has the beautiful chevron pattern here with antique gold hardware on the GG here, and I love that this strap has the chain part like this, so the bag can be looks casual, also a bit dressed up if I want to. I love it. And on the back it's GG, not the heart like my Matelasse bags. I think the flap one has the heart on the back like my Super Mini here. This one is my Gucci Super Mini, which has the flap. I think the flap has the heart, and all the zipper has this GG. So you can put it on your in front if you don't want to show the GG here. This can be worn on the front and vice versa. So I had the Gucci Soho Disco before this. I will insert the picture. That Soho Disco was in dark beige or nude color. I don't remember exactly the color name, but I already sold that one. It was a great bag, and I know many people loved it. I loved it, but I get over it, then I sold it because I think this one looks more modern, and I love the leather more than the Gucci Soho Disco, so I got this one instead. I didn't regret to sell that Gucci Soho Disco, even though it's still hot until this day. I love it more, I can say that. So this bag arrived yesterday, and I instantly fall in love with this one, and I just use it right there. So I didn't unbox or something like that, because obviously I didn't get the box with this one. So I just do a refill here with you guys. After this I will show you how I packed this one from yesterday. So let's just give a peek. So this zipper is smooth. I can bring my sunnies, but it's a snug fit, I will say. And I use the soft case, and I bring my small ones. This is the Celine sunnies. It's a small size sunglasses. The bigger one cannot, I cannot put inside because too wide. And this is how it looks like. Of course, I had to bring my phone. It's a big phone. It's Samsung Note 8. It's a 6.3 inches phone. And my tissue, I bring the single one, so it's it won't take a lot of space. And my Bluetooth, sometimes I bring this one instead of my regular headphone. This one my hubby get for me in rose gold color. I think it's from eBay, so it's very cute and so simple, doesn't take a lot of space in your bag. And my Dior lip glow, I bring this one whenever I'm not bringing my mirror with me, because I can apply it without mirror. This is super good. And my Chanel card case with some money. My Louis Vuitton 6 key holder. And last one, my Hermes Bastia coin purse for my coins and extra cash here. So both of these are pretty in red. I love red color. And the inside of this bag is lining with microfiber. Is in peachy color, and it has one slip pocket which I haven't used yet. Maybe I won't. And this has the Gucci made in Italy tag with some numbers on the back, and the Gucci tag here, the small one. So this bag is very simple, and I think it's very functional for my daily use. My only complaint about Gucci bags is that they're not as structured, they're not as sturdy as let's say Chanel. You can squeeze them. They don't have I don't know how to say it in English, but with Chanel you cannot squeeze them like this, but it's okay as long as the bag is full. The shape will retain like this. So for now I'm very happy with this bag. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing.